Hi students, welcome in our YouTube channel. Now in first two videos we have learned about latitude, longitudes and etc. things. Now in this third video we are going to learn about the maps. You all have seen maps and you know the uses of maps for what we are using it. Now in the corner you can see a map of India and there are some states. Okay. Now see, this is the political map. See, and here in this video you can see India map and the states are given below. Now, a map is a representation of entire earth or part of it and it is drawn on a flat surface. See, you all know that map it has been drawn on flat surface. Some of the advantages that a map has over a globe are as follows. Now see, if you consider a globe and a map, the map has so many advantages than the globe. A map representing any part of earth can be drawn. See, on the map you can see any part of the earth. There are a map of continents, countries, states, localities and even streets. See, here we can see so many kinds of maps. Particular maps we can find out. There is continents map you can find, countries maps we can find, states map you can find, localities we can find, even street maps also we have available. Now second, it is easy to refer to map and carry them. They can be folded. See, wherever you can go, you can carry the map with you. It can be folded. Maps can be included in books, and even if you see the our book, SST book, there are so many kinds of map. If you read it, if you find it, a book of map is called an atlas that we have learned in even previous classes also. There are so many kinds of maps and a book of maps is called as atlas. There are many kinds of maps. The three main kinds are of physical, political and thematic maps. See, in this video we are going to learn about three more maps. One is the physical, second is political and third one is thematic map. See, as we have discussed before, we are going to learn about the political map. What is the work of, how they are useful for us? They show man-made features such as the political boundaries between nations. See, here in the political maps, we are going to learn about the political boundaries. Yes, the part of the places. See, boundaries of the nations we can understand by this political map, states, cities, etc. Such map also shows roads, railways, capitals, and their important places. Even these political maps, we are going to learn the states. Even you can see in the different colors, we can find out the states, and they have their different boundaries. By looking their boundaries, you can understand this is the state of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra, Kerala, Karnataka, etc. By this only we can understand the important places. There you can see the roads, railways, capitals, etc. things. Now here we are going to understand about the physical maps. See, before we have discussed political map, now we are going to understand about the physical map. What is the physical map exact? Physical maps are so called because they show the physical or nature features of places such as mountains, plains, plateaus, valleys, deserts, seas, and rivers. See, before in the physical maps, we have understood the states and their boundaries, rivers, streets, etc. But in the physical maps, we are going to understand about the mountains. Where are the mountains located? Where are the plains located? Where are the plateaus located? Where are the valleys? Where are the deserts, seas, and rivers? These all are important things we are going to understand by the physical maps. See, even how important are those? We have to learn about the political maps also. We have to learn about physical maps also. Now, one more map is remain us to understand. Thematic map. See, now we are going to understand what we are going to learn exact in the thematic map. Thematic maps give information about the particular features such as climate. See, so even if you see the mobile on mobile also you can find out these kinds of maps. Sometimes Google gives us information about the climate. Yes, because the who is operating this mobile has made such kind of map system. So the Google is showing them uh, what is going to happen today at 2 o'clock. Rain is going to be fall. This the features the people are getting in advance because of these thematic maps. Now see, industries, about industries we are going to learn by this thematic map. Places of tourist interest, those they are going for tourists, the map they are using, this is the thematic map they are using for their understanding then where they have to go, or any other important feature which needs to be shown in picture form. See, even I have given you this map here. By this map you can understand the things. In blue color they have given, in green color they have given. Yes, this is maybe tourist using this map. Okay, thank you. थांब की दाखवतो तुला काय केलं. हम्म.